Dadu is a district in the Sindh province of Pakistan. Nestled in the heart of Sindh, it is a place that many might overlook, but those who venture here are rewarded with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. It is located on the right bank of the mighty Indus River. The river not only provides sustenance to the land, but also adds to the scenic beauty of the region, making it a lifeline for the local communities. Dadu is known for its rich history and unique cultural heritage. The district is dotted with ancient buildings and ruins that tell stories of bygone eras, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once called this place home. The region has been inhabited for centuries. Archaeological digs have unearthed artifacts that date back to ancient civilizations, revealing a continuous thread of human presence and activity. It has witnessed the rise and fall of many civilizations. Each era has left its mark, from the remnants of ancient settlements to the grand structures that stand as silent witnesses to history. Today, Dadu remains a place of great beauty and intrigue. Its landscapes are a blend of lush greenery, rolling hills and serene water bodies, offering a picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It offers visitors a glimpse into the heart of rural Sindh. The traditional homes and fields reflect a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for generations, preserving the essence of Sindhi culture. Dadu is a place where time seems to slow down. The serene countryside and quiet village streets create an atmosphere of tranquility, allowing visitors to unwind and connect with nature. The pace of life is relaxed and unhurried. Locals go about their daily activities with a sense of calm, embodying a lifestyle that is in harmony with the natural rhythms of the land. The people are warm and welcoming. Their hospitality is genuine, and they greet visitors with open arms, eager to share their stories and traditions. They are proud of their heritage and eager to share it with visitors. Cultural festivals and traditional crafts are an integral part of life here, offering a vibrant display of the region's artistic and cultural wealth. Whether you are interested in history, culture, or simply want to experience the beauty of nature, Dadu has something to offer everyone. From its historical landmarks to its natural landscapes and cultural events, there is always something to discover. This hidden gem of Sindh invites you to discover its secrets. Wander through its hidden pathways and uncover picturesque spots that are waiting to be explored. It is a land of ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes. The traditional Sindhi ceremonies and stunning natural scenery create a unique blend of the old and the new. Come and explore the heart of Pakistan. Dadu is not just a destination, it is an experience that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. The Indus River is the lifeline of Dadu. It flows through the district from north to south. The river brings life-giving water to the land. It sustains the region's agriculture and people. The Indus River also defines the landscape of Dadu. It creates a fertile plain that stretches for miles on either side of its banks. Dadu lies within the Sindh's semi-arid region. The landscape is characterized by vast plains. Rolling hills and sand dunes dot the horizon. The land is harsh but beautiful. It is a testament to the resilience of nature and the people who call it home. Despite the arid conditions, agriculture thrives in Dadu. The Indus River provides irrigation for crops. Farmers grow wheat, cotton, rice and sugarcane. The fertile land produces an abundance of food for the region. Agriculture is the backbone of Dadu's economy. To the west of Dadu lies the Kirtar mountain range, a majestic expanse of rugged terrain that stretches as far as the eye can see. These mountains are not just a geographical feature, they are a testament to the natural beauty and geological history of the region. These ancient mountains form a natural barrier, standing tall and proud as if guarding the lands of Sindh and Balochistan. Their rocky faces and steep slopes have withstood the test of time, weathering countless storms and seasons. They separate Sindh from Balochistan, creating a distinct boundary that has influenced the cultures and histories of these regions. The Kirtar Range is more than just a physical divide, it is a symbol of the diverse landscapes and peoples of Pakistan. The Kirtar Range is home to a variety of plant and animal life, each species uniquely adapted to the harsh yet beautiful environment. From resilient shrubs to rare wildlife, the biodiversity here is a treasure trove for nature enthusiasts and scientists alike. It is a trekker's paradise, offering numerous trails that wind through its rugged terrain. Adventurers from all over come to explore these paths, seeking the thrill of discovery and the serenity of untouched nature. The mountains offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, with panoramic vistas that stretch across the horizon. Each peak provides a unique perspective, revealing the intricate beauty of the natural world.
Within the Kirtar Range lies the Kirtar National Park, a sanctuary that preserves the natural heritage of the region. This park is a haven for wildlife and a place where the delicate balance of nature is maintained. It is a protected area, dedicated to the conservation of its unique ecosystems. The park's boundaries are marked by signs that remind visitors of the importance of preserving this natural wonder. The park is a refuge for a wide variety of wildlife, providing a safe haven for species that might otherwise be at risk. Here, animals can thrive in their natural habitat, free from the threats of human encroachment. Visitors may encounter Sindh ibex, Urial sheep, and Chinkara gazelles, each species a testament to the park's rich biodiversity. These animals roam freely, offering a glimpse into the wild heart of the region. Leopards and wolves roam the higher elevations, their presence a reminder of the untamed wilderness that still exists in this part of the world. These predators play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the park. The park is also home to over 100 species of birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. From majestic eagles to colorful songbirds, the avian diversity here is truly remarkable. The Kirthar National Park is a testament to the importance of conservation, showcasing the efforts made to protect and preserve the natural world. It stands as a beacon of hope for future generations. It protects the natural beauty and biodiversity of the region, ensuring that these landscapes remain unspoiled for years to come. The park's lush landscapes and diverse ecosystems are a source of pride and inspiration. It is a place where visitors can connect with nature, experiencing the tranquility and majesty of the great outdoors. Whether hiking, birdwatching, or simply enjoying the scenery, there is something for everyone. The park offers a glimpse into the wild heart of Sindh, a place where the natural world reigns supreme. It is a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature, inviting all who visit to appreciate and protect it.
Dadu is not only home to mountains and deserts, it also boasts a network of natural reserves and wetlands. These areas are vital for the survival of many species of birds, fish, and other animals. The wetlands act like natural sponges. They absorb excess water during the monsoon season. They help to regulate the water table.
Birdwatchers flock to Dadu's wetlands. They come to observe the migratory birds. Species from as far as Siberia stop here during their long journeys. The wetlands are a symphony of bird calls and the flutter of wings. They are a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The natural reserves and wetlands of Dadu highlight the ecological diversity of the region. They are a reminder of the delicate balance of nature. These areas are crucial for the well-being of both wildlife and humans.
Section 5. The rhythm of nature, climate and seasons. Dadu experiences a typical semi-arid climate characterized by distinct seasonal variations that shape the lives and activities of its inhabitants. Summers are long and hot, often stretching from April to October. During these months, the sun is relentless and the heat can be overwhelming. Temperatures can soar above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, making it challenging for people to carry out their daily activities. The sun beats down mercilessly, with little respite from the intense heat. The land becomes parched and dry, with the soil cracking and vegetation wilting under the scorching sun. People seek shade during the hottest hours of the day, finding refuge under trees or in shelters to escape the oppressive heat. Winters in Dadu are short and mild, typically lasting from December to February. The temperature rarely drops below freezing, making it a comfortable season for outdoor activities. The days are sunny and pleasant, with clear skies and a gentle breeze. The nights can be cool, prompting people to wrap themselves in shawls or light jackets. Winter is a welcome respite from the scorching heat of summer, providing a much-needed break for both people and the land. It is a time for farmers to prepare their fields for the next crop season, ploughing the soil and making necessary arrangements for sowing. The monsoon season arrives in July and lasts until September, bringing a dramatic change to the landscape. It brings much-needed rain to the region, replenishing water sources and providing relief from the long dry spell. The downpours can be heavy at times, with rainwater streaming down roads and filling up fields. They often lead to flooding, causing temporary disruptions but also revitalizing the soil. But the rains also bring life back to the land, with new plant growth and green shoots emerging from the soil. The landscape transforms into a lush green paradise, a stark contrast to the arid conditions of the summer months. Section 6. Bounty of the land, agriculture and economy. Agriculture is the backbone of Dadu's economy. The fertile land produces a wide range of crops. Wheat, cotton, rice and sugarcane are staple crops. Farmers also grow vegetables, fruits and oilseeds. The Indus River provides irrigation for the fields.
Dadu is known for its high-quality dates. The date palm thrives in the hot, dry climate, The date harvest is a time of celebration for local communities. Dates are a major source of income for many families. They are also an important part of the local diet.
The agricultural sector in Dadu provides employment for a large portion of the population. Farmers, laborers and traders all rely on the land for their livelihood. The agricultural produce of Dadu not only feeds the region but is also transported to other parts of Pakistan. Section 7. Unveiling Dadu's treasures, attractions and landmarks. Beyond its natural beauty, Dadu is also home to several historical and cultural attractions. The Indus River is a major draw for visitors. People come to enjoy boat rides. They witness the traditional fishing techniques. The river is also a popular spot for picnics and family outings.
History buffs will appreciate the historical tombs scattered throughout the district. These tombs are a testament to the rich past of the region. They offer a glimpse into the architectural styles and burial practices of bygone eras. Lake Mancha, one of the largest freshwater lakes in Asia, lies on the outskirts of Dadu. The lake is a haven for migratory birds. It is an important source of fish for local communities. Visitors can enjoy boat trips on the lake. They can explore the small islands that dot its surface.
Section 8. The spirit of Dadu, culture and heritage. The people of Dadu are known for their warm hospitality and rich cultural traditions. Sindhi is the main language spoken in the region. The culture is a blend of Sindhi, Balok and Brahui influences.
Music and dance are an integral part of Dadu's cultural heritage. The region has a rich tradition of folk music and dance. The sound of the flute and the dhol, or drum, can be heard at weddings and festivals. Sufi shrines are scattered throughout the district. These shrines are a testament to the strong spiritual beliefs of the people. People visit these shrines to seek blessings and guidance. The shrines are also centers of learning and cultural exchange.
Section 9. Dadu, a journey to remember. Dadu, with its unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage and agricultural wealth, offers a truly enriching experience. From the majestic Kirtar Mountains to the tranquil wetlands, from the bustling markets to the serene Sufi shrines, Dadu has something to offer every traveler. A journey to Dadu is a journey into the heart of rural Sindh. It is a chance to connect with nature, immerse oneself in local culture, and witness the rhythms of life that have remained unchanged for centuries. Dadu may be a hidden gem, but its beauty and charm are sure to leave a lasting impression on all who visit.